So I just put together a quick little tutorial showing people how to do something they already know, which is just data collection, but doing so remotely during the school closure when you're doing virtual ABA sessions. So this is just how I would normally set it up. I would write obviously the date and the student's name of who you're taking data on, write the program, whether or not it's baseline, take data on it, and again, just, repeat this process obviously for all of the programs as you would normally. I just ran this a couple of times just to kind of like show you how I would normally do it. For following picture activity schedules, I included this because I wanted to show how I would normally do this on paper. I included the 5 steps that are normally included with ACE when you're running this program and just did it across 3 different steps within the picture activity schedule. And then I went back and I just write down like what I got for accuracy or independence if you're not necessarily doing baseline. And then I include challenging behavior data at the bottom as well for where it's appropriate. And I'll just write down, what the behaviors are, and we'll just take frequency or, partial interval data or whatever it is that you're using. And I created this template so you can kind of just translate everything that you took on paper and make it more consistent across one document. And I'm just copying and pasting basically whatever it was that I took for that session. And this way you have everything in one place and you don't have to flip between pages or whatever it is on your notebook. I included session notes as well to include anything that might be useful to know when looking back on this data, which is especially useful, I think, for challenging behavior like with aggressions. You can include things like hit sister, pulled mom's hair, whatever. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I just figured looking at it might be a little bit more helpful, and that's about it.